The two most powerful economies in the world are meeting face-to-face. China's vice premier is in Washington to meet with U.S. trade and commerce officials. The meetings are known as the 23rd annual session of the Joint Commission on Commerce and Trade. And what happens here could have a big effect on the global economy. CCTV's Jessica Stone joins us now from the White House. Jessica, what can you tell us about any new agreements, any new information coming out today?
Well, some new information is that the United States has pledged today to further relax its export controls on high-tech goods, something that the Chinese have been waiting for, continuing to ask for during the course of these talks and many other venues for talks. In the meantime, China has actually taken a step forward in terms of mandating next year. It plans to mandate state-owned enterprises and financial institutions that they will increase their use of legal software. That is the news coming out on this Wednesday. But of course, both sides, Sean, are still skeptical about the implementation of Wednesday's agreements.
Fresh from China's 18th Party Congress, Vice Premier Wang Qishan is now not only a key player in managing the world's second-largest national economy, he is also the nation's anti-corruption czar. At Wednesday's Joint Commission on Commerce and Trade, he was candid from the beginning.
The Chinese side made obvious progress in addressing U.S. concerns such as IPR protection, technology transfer, government procurement, and market access.
The meetings come on the heels of a major trade dispute over Chinese-made wind turbine towers and solar panels, which resulted in the U.S. slapping anti-dumping duties on Chinese manufacturers. American trade officials are concerned about the U.S. trade deficit with China. From 2001 to 2011, it more than tripled, climbing from $83 billion to over $295 billion.
The true success of this plenary will be judged by those who rely on the JCCT to deliver measurable results.
The United States is looking for greater access on beef and poultry exports, as well as greater intellectual property protection, while the Chinese are looking for compromises like a relaxation of American export controls on high-tech products.
The U.S. side has also been working on issues of Chinese concerns, such as investment by Chinese companies in the United States, relaxing export control and visa.
The U.S. did agree to export high-tech munitions it has recently cleared for export.
China will have the same access as any other country like it to the sorts of decontrolled items that are not military items, that, as I say, are civilian end-use items.
And Sean, some good news for American automakers. The Chinese had formed a list, a catalog, if you will, of cleared autos that the Chinese government could purchase that are made here in the United States. The Americans asked them to delay the publishing of that catalog to thoroughly go over it and agree on which American autos would be approved for Chinese purchase for all government vehicles.
Thanks very much, Jessica Stone.